Are your car headlights looking foggy and dull? Don't fret, we're here to assist. Today we are sharing our comprehensive guide to restoring headlights. In this video, we've painstakingly curated 5 powerful techniques that will bring back the original shine and clarity to your car's headlights. These methods are not only effective but also simple and affordable, making them perfect for any car owner. By following our guidance, you will not only improve your vehicle's overall appearance, also significantly boost its safety by ensuring optimal visibility during your drives. Ready to achieve that enviable, clear headlight look? Let's dive right in. Method number 1. Toothpaste. This unique method involves the use of common household items, toothpaste and a soft cloth. Start the process by squeezing out a minimal quantity of toothpaste onto the cloth. The texture of the toothpaste will serve as an effective yet gentle abrasive. The next step requires you to rub the toothpaste-laden cloth onto the vehicle's headlights. Do this in circular motions, which helps to uniformly distribute the toothpaste's cleaning properties, and apply pressure gently, avoid causing any potential damage. Following application, rinse off the toothpaste thoroughly using clean water. Ensure there are no residues left. The final step would be to thoroughly dry the headlights using a separate dry cloth, and voila, your headlights will be shining like new. Method number 2. Baking soda and vinegar. This method is as easy as it sounds, and you probably have all the ingredients in your kitchen. First, grab a bowl and combine equal parts baking soda and vinegar. As they react chemically, they'll form a thick, effective paste. Now, carefully apply this newly created paste to your vehicle's headlights. Let it sit for a little while, perhaps a few minutes. This lets the paste work its magic, breaking down the grime and discoloration. Next, get a sponge or a soft brush and gently scrub the headlights. Don't rush, be thorough. Once you're done, rinse off the paste completely. You'll be amazed by the transformation. Method number 3, WD-40. This method involves a commonly known tool, WD-40, a lubricant spray helpful in versatile scenarios. For this, you'll need to take a soft cloth, preferably microfiber. Next, apply a decent quantity of WD-40 the cloth, ensuring it is thoroughly soaked. Now wipe your headlights diligently. The WD-40 will act as a cleansing agent, releasing the ingrained dirt and grime. It's a quick, easy solution to restore the brightness of your headlights. Remember to wipe off any excess WD-40 with a clean cloth. Method number 4. Lemon and baking soda. This method utilizes the natural acidity of lemon and the abrasive cleansing properties of baking soda. To begin, cut a plump, ripe lemon into 2 equal halves. Carefully dip the open part of 1 half into a small bowl of baking soda, ensuring coating. Holding the lemon half firmly, start gently rubbing it onto the surface of your headlights. Apply in circular motions, letting the lemon and baking soda mixture seep into the surface. Gradually squeeze lemon, allowing the juice to ooze out, enhancing the cleaning process. The interaction between the citrusy lemon juice and the baking soda will cause a reaction that helps break down the grime and cloudiness on your headlights. The lemon's acidity combined with the baking soda will work wonders in restoring your headlights' clarity. The 5th method I'll share involves sandpaper and water. This is particularly effective in more stubborn cases where a stronger approach is necessary. Start your process with a sandpaper of a lower grit. This will allow you to gently remove the initial, more stubborn layers of grime and oxidation. Gradually transition to a higher grit sandpaper. This will help you in refining the surface and restoring the shine to your headlights. It's crucial to keep the sandpaper wet during the process. Doing this assists in mitigating any potential damage, such as unwanted scratches on the headlights. Lastly, polish the headlights with a quality car polish or dedicated plastic headlight polish to achieve a gleaming finish. And there you have it. 5 effective methods for cleaning your car headlights. Well, maintaining your vehicle's lighting system is crucial, not just for aesthetics, but for your safety on the road too. Proper care and cleaning can dramatically improve visibility during nighttime driving. In this video, we have presented 5 methods, each different from the other, but equally useful, offering flexibility for your preferences and situation. We have taken into consideration DIY solutions, affordable commercial products, and professional services. Our goal is to cater to various needs and budgets. Stay tuned to our channel as we will continuously bring you practical, reliable, and easy-to-follow car maintenance tips. We appreciate the time you've taken to watch this video. Please consider subscribing to receive future updates. Until next time, drive safely.